Hi, my name is Divya, and in this class, we will be discussing about the loop statements. In the previous class, we discussed about the control statements and the different types of decision making statements like if statement and switch statement. We discussed briefly about the different forms of if statements, and we also have seen the implementation of different if forms and also the switch statement. And in this class, we will discuss about the loop statements. So Java supplies three different types of loop statements. So these statements are used to iterate over a set of instructions until a termination condition is met. So how do you implement these loop statements? For loop. The general form of this for loop is for initialization, condition, and iteration. And once the condition is true, this statement is executed. So initialization block is where a variable is initialized to a particular value and condition is a boolean expression the result of this condition is evaluated for each iteration, and iteration is either an increment or decrement. And next one is while loop. The syntax of while loop is while, condition, and body of the loop. So while a particular condition is true, condition is always a boolean expression whose value is evaluated every time, or each time for every iteration the condition is evaluated. And if the condition is true, only then the body of the loop is executed. So this is how the while loop looks like. And then coming to the do while loop, the syntax of the do while loop is do and body of the loop, while and condition. So what is the difference between a while loop and do while loop? So at times we want the body of the loop to execute at least once. So in such scenarios where we want to execute the body of loop for one time at least, we can use, there comes the use of do while loop. So let us see an example and let us write a example on Eclipse and find out how we can execute it. So this is how we can implement the for loop, while loop, and do while loop. To minimize our time, I have already written the program for you. And in this program, we are printing the numbers from 1 to 10 with the help of loops. So this is a for loop. I equal to 1 is the initialization block, and I less than or equal to is a Boolean expression whose result is evaluated every time, for every time the loop is executed. That is for every iteration this condition is checked. And I plus plus is the value is incremented. That means for the loop to execute there should be a certain condition. So this is that condition which says the value is incremented every time. This could be an incremented value or decremented. The value can be incremented or decremented depending on the condition that you give. So because here my requirement is to print the numbers from 1 to 10, hence I gave my iteration would be I plus plus. So this is a for loop condition which I gave, and I am printing I value. And in the same way, if you take the while loop, I want the value starting from 1. So I initialize the variable I with 1, and the I value should print until the value of I less than or equal to 10 is evaluated to false. So let us see this implementation first. First, the value of I is equal to 1. So it comes down I less than or equal to 10. So the value of 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is evaluated to true. Now it comes to the print statement. It prints the value of I as 1 and it gives a space and it comes down. The next statement is I plus plus. So the value of 1 is incremented by 1 and the value is now 2. So it goes back to the loop again. It checks for the condition. If 2 is less than or equal to 10, the condition is true. Yes. It comes to the next print statement. It prints the value of 2 again. Yes. Likewise, it repeats and until the value, once the value of I becomes 11, it go back to the loop. It checks for the condition. That is, if 11 less than or equal to 10, no, it's false. So it comes out of the loop. So this is a condition. This is a condition. These statements are execute that state this statement is executed until this condition is met. Otherwise, the loop is exited. So let us execute this code and see how it works. Perfect. Our program has worked. So for loop, it executed and it displayed the numbers from 1 to 10. And while loop, it also displayed numbers from 1 to 10. And do while loop from 1 to 10. It didn't because we missed out equal to here. It exited once it was 10, but I want the number to be executed until 1 to 10. So I should give the condition as I less than or equal to 10. So save it and execute it once again. Now this is perfect, right? Look at the do while loop. Now it has executed perfectly. This is 1 to 10, right? So this is how we will implement the loop statements. Hope this class is helpful for you all. Thank you.